Santa Barbara PD just released some more records. I've been waiting a while for this one. Almost a year ago now, this guy approaches me and starts demanding info.
Why are you filming us? Okay, who are you? Well, we need an answer. What's going on? Who do you work for? What's your name and who do you work for?
When he doesn't get info, he calls the cops.
Call the cops.
Oh, don't call the cops.
Oh yeah, I'll call the
Come
cops.
on, dude.
Yep.
Don't do that to me.
Yep, call the cops.
Come on, dude.
In the process of his call, he gives out all of his info, including his phone number. Now, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I do not want anyone calling the people in these videos. But you guys never listen. So you guys blow up his phone.
Your guys just took my phone number and now you're gonna blow my
You gave your phone number live. You doxed yourself, bro. There was no need for it.
And he calls the cops again.
Now you're calling derps and harassing them too.
I'm not calling anyone.
No, dude,
I'm standing
you know
right
what's
here.
going on.
I'm standing right here.
Alright, I'm getting the cops down here, dude.
Uh-oh. I thought you already called them.
Oh, they'll be here.
Damn.
His sidekick shows up spouting nonsense about permits.
Hey, you guys had a permit to film today, right?
Uh-oh. I left it at home.
You left your permit at home?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to double check.
Yeah.
Do you really have to get a permit?
No, you don't need a permit. He doesn't know what he's talking
I was
about.
going to say.
You
Oh.
left the permit at home, you have it at your residence, all right? You did?
This guy, is he a Walmart
Tell
lawyer?
authorities what you said.
Oh, okay, sure. Sure thing, bud.
You can tell he thinks he really cracked the case.
So you left your permit to film at home?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So you have a permit to film here?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't have a permit
I
though.
don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so you have a permit to film?
An angry customer gets mad and they all get in my face and start surrounding me.
Do you
I'm getting surrounded.
Do you have a permit to film today?
That kind of bothers me. You should delete that right now, honestly.
Do you have a permit to film today, sir? Do you have a permit to be here
My
filming?
personal space.
Do you have a
my
permit?
personal space and you're violating my privacy.
So I pull out the mace and back them off.
What are you gonna do with that? You gonna spray me with
If you
that?
get in my personal space,
I dare you to fucking
if
spray me.
you
No, bro. Don't ever pull that shit on me, bro.
Permit?
This makes them so butthurt that they run to the cops when they arrive. And the rest is all unseen footage and audio until today.
Off the street.
He got here and he started filming.
Okay.
It's gradually, so now he's like, they're talking to our customers. He brought out pepper spray. He put it back in his pocket, but he was arguing right here with one of them when he was coming outside of our shop. He's been here longer than me.
He just he's been live streaming. He live streamed my number and now my number, I'm getting harassed on my phone. They're just like my phone.
By like random people.
And more importantly, he's harassing people as they come out of the store. And
You told him he's not allowed on the property,
Yeah,
correct? So
yeah.
he understands that he's not allowed on your property.
Yes, but the problem is,
Because I see him, he's not on your property
He's got
right
his
now.
pepper spray in his pocket.
Okay.
But he's that altercation got a little bit scary for us.
Oh, was it scary for you?
Okay.
It's at this point. He's baiting customers too.
What's the reasoning why he's here?
He won't give me any information.
No one says anything. We asked him if he had a permit to do anything, if he had like a reason to be here.
This is the first time you've ever seen him?
This is the first time we've ever seen him, and like the problem is,
And
like
these
he's
people are
standing
starting to show up because he's live streaming right
and
now.
it's like he just got in an altercation with one of our customers because the customer was like, I didn't give you permission to use my face, and he was like, I'd like you to delete that, and then that's when he brought out his pepper spray, and he was like, you're getting in my face. It's like, dude, like.
Are you the owner here, or?
I am one of the head managers. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna get your information.
Yeah, no worries.
I was up at the hardware store.
Yes, ma'am.
I was up at the hardware.
Date of birth?
He called me. He said there was some guy just right over there.
Phone number for me?
Yes, ma'am.
You're from LA?
Yes, ma'am.
So am I. That's why I figured
customers.
Okay. Well, I'll talk to him and see what his going on with him. If he's gonna be here all day,
And
or
then, can you
we'll
talk to
figure
him
out.
about the pepper spray situation?
Yeah.
Not to do that with our customers
Yeah.
as well.
We'll go figure it out. Hi.
Hey.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Sure, yeah. Go ahead.
I don't really want to be. Can you turn that off? I prefer it.
No, sorry.
Our
It's
conversation.
staying
Okay. So can I ask you? I don't want you standing in the middle of the street.
I'm not in the middle of the street.
Okay. So can I ask you why you're filming?
You can.
Okay.
I'm not going to discuss it. We got 3 units here now.
So pretty much he's just saying that he doesn't want him on the property filming customers and harassing them. He said that he pulled out pepper spray on one of the customers, and he's saying that he's causing a disturbance. That's pretty much what we have right now.
I did. Very brief modeling. Your brief modeling.
Talked to the manager of the store, and pretty much he's just saying that this guy randomly showed up and started filming. He asked him to get off the property, so now...
Where was he? He was in the parking lot, or did he go inside?
He was just right here, and then now he's moved over there off the property and is just filming them, but harassing customers as they walk out. One customer said I don't give you permission to film my face on his live streaming, and
Is he also with him?
what?
Is he also with him?
No, this is the guy. They're just joined because they see some guy filming, streaming, and then they just come and join. So they don't really have anything. Besides just popping along.
But they weren't the original.
This is the original guy. This is the original guy. And he's still filming right now. I was like, can you not film me while I'm talking to you? He's like, no. I'm like, okay. But he pulled out pepper spray on one of the customers because...
Did he tell you why?
Nope. I haven't got that far. I guess Montoya's talking to him now. I don't really want to talk to him if he's going to be an asshole to me.
And you talked to them?
Yeah, I already got manager's name.
Okay.
He just wants him, to leave. He doesn't know what his deal is.
Can't.
Yeah, that's what I said, unless he's on your property. But he's like, I don't appreciate him, harassing my customers with pepper spray. So I'm like,
Well,
I don't really know what else we can do. Yeah, the customer already left.
Right.
That's the manager. I'm gonna go ask him what exactly, we can't really do much. It's not illegal to film, though. He's getting phone calls from, random people because he's
We watch him all the time, and I really
he's live streaming. So when one of the managers gave the number, he gave his number out to somebody or something.
So the manager gave
His own number.
to someone?
I can't remember who he said, but it was a live stream. Yes. So now a bunch of people are calling. Yes. No. It just happened to be live. Yes.
Okay.
No. I'm gonna talk to him real quick. Ask him for. Hi, can I speak to? I was talking. Huh? He's outside? Oh, there he is.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, yeah. So, it was his phone number that was distributed out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
So how did that happen, though?
I don't know.
Somehow you said it. I didn't get
How'd
it.
they get your phone number?
How did the phone number get distributed out?
When I called the cops on
Oh, you were saying he was already filming. Okay.
So,
Okay.
and we just got a call from Organic Greens, who's another dispensary in Galita.
Yeah.
He was just there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
and
he
he-
has some kind of problem with dispensaries.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So the thing
problem
about the
I
phone,
have- sorry.
the phone thing,
I know. There's a,
just get a new number.
I know.
There's nothing that we can do about
know.
that.
I know.
I'm sorry. That's honestly.
I just
shitty.
sucks because I have a family and
Yeah. Yeah.
I know that they can look my name up and
Oh, yeah.
number and then bill me fine.
Oh yeah.
So
We're all gonna be on national TV.
Yeah. yeah. Right.
Yeah. So just get a new number.
The problem I have
Yes.
is the altercation with the customer. That's my
The
main thing.
customer. Okay. So the thing with the customer is if they wanted to press charges for whatever reason,
Yeah.
they would have to be here and be willing to
Gotcha.
press charges. You
Should've
can't
kept him.
personally.
Yeah, we should have kept him here.
But
Dang it.
he could sit there and film all he wants. It's not. There's no legal thing. We can't arrest him for that.
Okay.
See,
Well-
I understand your frustration.
No.
I would
if
be.
If he baits like any other instigations, then
Yes.
we call
Oh,
you.
completely.
Okay.
Yeah. If a customer, if he's harassing a customer, and if the customer wants to press charges for some situation,
Is there
and
any way we can get that guy back? Do you remember who it was?
and even then, I don't even.
It's something to do.
But yeah, just I know it's annoying.
Oh, yeah,
We get filmed all the time too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just cool, calm, and collected. You know what I mean?
But I understand that it's frustrating for your customers because who wants to be filmed?
Yeah, there's cameras all over this building.
I don't want to be filmed, especially people that are coming here to a dispensary.
Yeah, jobs. And
Yeah,
other things.
I completely understand.
We appreciate you guys coming up speedily first.
Yeah, and this is probably honestly getting him more hyped because we're here.
Yeah, gotcha.
Like what he said, he's like, there's 3 cops showing up, and more viewers, I'm sure. But
Okay.
try to ignore it, and if he harasses another customer or threatens
There's like
them
a
with,
security guard out here for the
then
rest of the
just
day?
I mean, Anthony's gone in 13 minutes, so.
so.
Okay.
Honestly, he'll probably be gone. If he went to a different dispensary before this, he's probably gonna make his way around.
Yeah, gotcha.
There's another one down on Chapala.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If
Thank
you have
so
any
much.
problems, just give us a call back, okay?
Well, and if we need, we want the police report for this.
There's not gonna be.
There's not going to be one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, I totally understand.
Yeah.
I'm a compliance and
Yeah.
manager, so I'm just going through things in my head. All right.
I mean, I could give you the case number. I don't know. I have
That'll
to
work.
figure out.
I'll be better with nothing, you know
Yeah.
what I mean, just in case.
I don't know what this.
If we
I'm not
have
the
to call
primary
back,
officer,
you know
yeah.
what I mean, that would help too.
It's gonna be. Do you have anything to
Yeah.
write it on? It's 26758.
26758.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
If
Appreciate
you guys have any other problems, just give us a call.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
All good.
We have Officer Trevino.
What?
So we have Officer Trevino.
Nothing really. Whoever left or the victim left, and they yeah.
Person.
There's really nothing here.
You talking to me?
Huh?
You talking to this guy yet?
No, did you?
Kind of dictates what you got. You know?
What did he say to you guys?
Well, he said that he was here filming on the sidewalk, and that Black Hat and another customer corralled him, and he pulled out the pepper spray.
That's not what he told me.
Yeah.
He told me that customer was leaving, and he approached the customer, and the customer told him, "I don't want to be filmed. I don't want to be. You don't have my permission to put me on TV." Or
And did he say this all happened on private property, or?
it happened right here.
So why are they saying it happened on private property?
I don't know. He told me it happened right here on the
Okay. All right. Well,
Sidewalk.
His coworker was saying that happened all on private property.
Okay.
Someone's
wanna-
lying. Someone's not telling the truth.
Okay. What are we doing?
Someone's fibbing.
Yeah.
But they're good. I mean, they're done. They're going away. They're going about their business.
Yeah, I said
Realize
there's
that
really
there's not
nothing
much
that
we
we
can
can do.
Don't talk to them and
Yeah.
don't engage.
I said I'll probably if
Going with
they
the
told me
life.
that he went to one prior before this, a different dispensary, so I'm like sure he's going and making his rounds at different dispensaries and just taping them. I said the more that you kind of like instigate and like I'm sure this is what he wants is police officers to come here and film. So I mean, hi, I'm Officer Trevino.
Okay.
What was your name?
I'm not gonna.
You're not gonna give it? Okay. So you understand that you're not allowed to be on the property,
Right.
okay? So
No one's asked me to leave, but sure.
what was that?
No one's asked me to leave officially.
Okay. So
But-
well, they informed me that they don't want you on your
Yeah.
on their
Okay.
property. So as long as you don't go on their property, there shouldn't be an issue, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So does their property start, just for my information?
Yeah.
The asphalt? Is that
I
where their
believe so.
property starts?
Right,
Yeah,
Mother?
parking lot.
Yeah.
This is public right here, we can stand.
The sidewalk.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? Are you guys good?
No.
Okay.
Good.
All right.
We support the police.
All right. Thank you.
They're bothering them.
So I wanted to go back and listen to what these two talked about when I left, but both of them turned off their mics. There really needs to be a policy in place that makes officers leave recordings activated during the entire encounter. It really defeats the purpose of transparency when they can pick and choose what they want to be heard or seen. Thank you for watching, more to come.